To install Dynamic Island on a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, you can simply go to the Play Store. Then over here at the bottom, we're going to use the search option, and you can simply search for Dynamic Island or something similar. And as you can see here, we have a couple of different apps that, at least in theory, should allow us to get the Dynamic Island. In my case, I'm going to use this app over here. I'm going to install it, and I'm going to show you how to use it to get the Dynamic Island. But feel free to try any other app that you can find in the Play Store, and honestly, give them a try. Maybe you can find something better. So we're going to open this one. You might see ads, of course, while using the app, but you should be able to skip them. So now let's tap on the next over here. And here we have instructions. So first we need to select apps that are going to activate the Dynamic Island. So you can choose apps individually by just tapping on these switchers, or you can just tap on all here in the upper right corner. Besides that, we have the notification access. So we need to tap over here to grant the access for the app so that the app can, of course, check all notifications and then convert them into the Dynamic Island notification. Over here, we also have draw on screen, so we're going to tap on OK over here and then tap one more time on the draw on screen and then go next. Wait a couple of seconds, and once you are redirected to accessibility, go to installed apps, and then here choose the dynamic spot, and you want to turn it on and tap on allow. Now we are done, so let's tap on done over here. You can close this premium offer, and there we go. If you want to go back to the list of apps that are supposed to work with the Dynamic Island, then you can go to notifications over here and you can choose apps. And before we actually move on with our phone, it is also recommended to go to the position option, because over here we can take a look at the Dynamic Island and you can reposition it. So in my case, it is slightly too tiny, and definitely it could be slightly wider, so we can make it a little bit wider over here. We can also adjust the vertical size as well. And let's move it up a little bit too. So there we go. As you can see, we can still adjust the position quite easily. You can, of course, make your own personal changes in here. This is just my quick setup. And there we go. Now you should be able to enjoy the Dynamic Island on your Galaxy Z Flip 8. Leave a like and subscribe.